Hello, and welcome to Cooking Lessons for Dad, where you'll learn to cook healthy, cook easy. My name is Karen Breyer, and today we are making a flax or chia seed egg replacer. This is really easy. You can make egg replacement for regular eggs in your baked goods like batters, doughs, quick bread, muffins, pancakes, and it's really easy to make. The ingredients in this recipe are flax meal or chia seeds and warm water. So I'm going to show you how to make both of them. If you're going to use flax meal, you can buy flax meal already ground up, or you can use whole flax seeds and grind them yourself like in a coffee grinder. So we just need 1 tablespoon. Then if you're going to use chia seeds, also 1 tablespoon, and these are not ground up. Next, 3 tablespoons of warm water. I'll put 3 tablespoons in each bowl. So I'm going to whisk these together, get all mixed up. Okay, now I'm going to let these set for 2 minutes and we'll be back. Okay, so it's been 2 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and stir these again. Now we're going to let them sit again for 2 to 3 minutes longer, or until the mixture is thickened. So we'll be back in a few minutes. Okay, our flax and chia seed egg replacer has sat for a few minutes and they're thickened. You can see how thick they are. They're ready to use in a recipe. And the chia seed is also very thick. It has a little bit different texture. I've tried both of them. They both work equally well. They both taste the same. I can't tell any difference. The only way I can tell any difference is if I look really, really close. I can see some little chia seeds in the baked good, but it doesn't affect the taste or texture, and it's delicious. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to be making some pancakes. I'm just going to use my flax meal egg replacer. You just stir it in like you would any other ingredient, like an egg. Stir it in, and that's it. You're ready to bake. Now, you don't want to use more than 2 egg replacements in a recipe without trying it first. Sometimes after 2, it doesn't turn out quite right. So if you're going to try more than 2 in a recipe, experiment, and you might not want to use more than 2. So try it and let me know what you use your egg replacers in and how it turned out. Okay, I'll see you in the next lesson.